Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline coming to you from our Atlanta headquarters, and today I've got an awesome new Cybertruck. This customer build is just getting wrapped up. Let me go through everything we did on this. First and foremost, one of our most popular color changes. Say hello to TMaxx Satin Black. This is a PPF coating on here, and the Cybertruck just looks amazing in black, whether it's satin black, gloss black, or a gray color. I love this blacked out look. Now with PPF on the Cybertruck, you get all the benefits of the PPF being a little more durable and resistant to scratches and scuffs than vinyl. So this is gonna last longer than vinyl. And I personally like the satin look over gloss black, only because it's not reflective, and what that means is it's really easy to maintain. When you put gloss black on, which looks amazing, we're gonna show one next week that we're doing, it's awesome, but it's like a mirror. So you have to put some effort into keeping it clean, where satin black, you can be bombing this thing around off-road in the city, and it really never looks bad. And with the PPF, you can just rinse it off. It's not really hard to wash, but the satin doesn't reflect, so you don't get reflections, you don't see the dirt. I think the satin black PPF from TMaxx is hard to beat. Moving on to the wheels. Of course, T-Sportline, the leader in Tesla wheels. We have got our TC8s. These are fully forged. This is a 22-inch wheel. We have 20s, 22s, 24s, take your pick. The 22, it's gonna give you that look, and frankly, it looks as good as a 24, but it gives you a little softer ride. So I think this is like the pro move. This is kind of like the way to go, in my opinion. I've run 24s, 22s, 20s, and 18s on mine, but 22, it looks as good as 24s almost, and it's a little softer ride. So really cool look here. You can see from T-Sportline on this TC8 as well, this is a floating center cap. In the middle of that, it's got a tasteful T-Sportline logo in the Cybertruck font. So it looks very much at home on a Cybertruck, and it covers the lug nuts. Really an awesome setup. You can also see an acid green caliper cover in there. Yes, that is a T-Sportline bolt-on caliper cover, and we've custom painted it in acid green at this customer's request. They've seen us build something like this on our website. Check them out. We have a portfolio of Cybertruck builds, a few hundred of them on our site, where you can take a look at different colors of PPF, vinyl, wheels, everything on there. Check it out. He saw us do this before, and he wanted it on his Cybertruck. Now we can custom paint your calipers, or we can give you a caliper cover. It's a difference in price point, take your pick. This one is the caliper cover, looks really cool. Finally, to keep this truck clean forever, we have put TMaxx ceramic coating. That's a protective coating that goes on all of the PPF surfaces. We've put it on the glass. You can do the wheels, you can do the interior, the plastic components. A lot of options from very basic through cover everything. And ceramic is like that hard candy coating. It's one last line of defense. Bird droppings, water stains, things like that are a non-issue. Highly recommended, especially on the interior and on the wheels, because the interior is the vegan leather from Tesla. You want to put something on there to protect it, so interior coverage is nice. And on the wheels, when you put ceramic on them, it just makes it a lot easier to clean them up, brake dust, stuff like that. So what do you guys think of this? I love this Cybertruck. Give me a thumbs up if you agree. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Check us out at tsportline.com, and come back soon because we have more Cybertrucks to share with you.